Welcome to the Wilson Hole Campground along the Glenelg River. Let us show you around. It's a beautiful campsite, good amenities, tables, chairs, campfires, you name it, it's got it all. So stay tuned and check it out. How'd you go?
Pilchards?
Yeah?
Squid.
Nice.
Yeah.
Pulled up at camp and it is absolutely beautiful, just on dusk, so just in time. But campsite number 12 I reckon is the biggest. It's really spacious. It is somewhat level in areas as well. I think we might have to dig a couple of tires down, but got our campfire, got our table.
Oh, nice. Go, babe.
Edible. An eventful time. Every time I get in this boat, there's some sort of event or mischief that happens. So here I am, got the boat. It was in a bit of an awkward spot, so I pulled it off the bank, pulled it over to the jetty, tied the nose up, and started loading everything into the boat, and started connecting the fish finder up, and started getting everything all together, and looked up, and I bloody floated downstream. The knot had broken on my nose. I looked up and I was bloody downstream, so I had to actually get the cover off my fish finder as an oar and paddle my way back to the jetty so that I could retrieve the line that I used to tie myself up on. But I'm sure that's one of many events that are going to happen on this trip. So this is Wilson Hall Campground. Danika's done a great job picking an absolute pearler spot. So we're staying at number 12, which is like private and secluded. We've just got this nice little nook that we're tucked away in off the main road. So this main road that goes to all the campgrounds goes through. We're tucked away nicely. There's another couple here, but obviously they're pretty much on the road. 11's not too bad, but the good thing about number 12 where we are is that there's a jetty just down there where we'll go and show you the jetty, and there's also a boat ramp and another couple of jetties just down this little walkway here. Just down through there, so and about 20 or 30 meters along there, because the boat ramp's about probably 50, so halfway along is a toilet block. So it's absolutely pearler spot. We'll have a bit of a look around and we'll show you guys the rest of the place. But first, we're hungry. What are you cooking? Good looking?
Bacon and eggs and coffee.
Show me your shirt. Take it off.
So I just took the paddleboard out for my first run. It went smoothly. I didn't fall in. I can see many, many good times with this thing. So I've wanted one for ages, but Shannon's always like, oh, you won't use it, it's too big. We've got enough camping stuff. And I'm like, well, let's compromise and get my way. Asked Shannon to get firewood, but he forgot.
Didn't forget my fishing rods. She should learn to pack the important stuff herself. Let's go for a walk and show you guys around. So that's our campground, obviously clearly behind us. This track here just goes down to the boat ramp. We'll start there. So just a short stroll from camp. We've literally got the long drop toilets. Close enough that they're nice and convenient, but not too close that you can smell them.
Important information. I've had a good story. Yeah, I know. Any fish in the river?
Very little.
Yeah, only you would say that. So absolutely perla campground. So we're up on the top where you've got your first 6 campgrounds. They're all quite spacious. They've all got their own barbecues. They've all got their own tables. Like this is number 2 and it's actually really big. You could quite easily fit a caravan in here, or if you've got a couple of rooftop tents, big tent, whatever that looks like. Really spacious. You've got amenities, you've got toilets, long drops, table and chairs, campfires. We'll head down to the bottom as well. So that's where we're located. There's another 4 campgrounds closer to the river.
Oh yeah, we're Wilson Hall, McLennan's Punt.
So we're at Wilson Hall?
Yeah, that one.
So now we're just heading back down to the other 4 campgrounds. Oh, there must be 8 up there, 4 down here. So there's 12 campgrounds in total at Wilson Hall campground here. It's pretty steep down here, but the 4 campgrounds are a little bit more secluded and a lot closer to the river. You've got separate toilets as well, and then you've got your access to both jetties, which is really handy.
I think this is the best number 12. You sort of even.
Now we're just heading down to the second jetty, which is a lot more private. So the first main jetty has a boat ramp, so you've got other people parking up their boats and stuff like that, whereas this one is definitely more private, and you can park your boat, do some fishing. Little jetty. Shannon's got his boat tied up. Yeah, absolute perla spot. Cool.
This is just one of the amazing campsites I'm going to be showing you guys. So like and subscribe to the channel so you can see heaps more to come.
So that was Wilson Hall campground, absolute perla. Wasn't a free camp, it was $16 a night, but you've got flushing toilets, which we realized they were on our way out, so good to know for next time. But beautiful, beautiful camping spot. You've got green grass, shady trees, table and chairs, campfires, absolute perla camping spot. Not too far from the river, although Shannon might want it a little bit closer next time. But stay tuned for the next episode, guys. Looking forward to sharing more.